So this week's word of the week for week number 26 is muscular endurance. Now, muscular endurance is defined as the muscle's ability to exert force repeatedly. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 26 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have crisscrosses. Exercise number 2, we have step side squats. Exercise number 3, we have donkey kicks. And exercise number 4, we have shoulder taps. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 26. Exercise number 1, we have crisscrosses. So you're going to start feet shoulder width apart, and you're simply going to cross your feet like this. And then you're going to open them back up. And then if you want to go behind, and then open them back up. And if you want to do both, you can do both, forward and backwards. And those are called crisscrosses. Exercise number 2, we have side step squats. So we're going to go ahead and go feet shoulder width apart. We're going to squat down, take a step, squat down, take a step. Or we're just going to go side to side, stepping left and right, and squatting. Okay? Side step squats. Next we have donkey kicks. So we're going to go down on all 4. You can make sure your hands are facing forward. Basically, you're just going to get one leg to go, and it's going to kick back. We're going to do that 3 times. It's 1, that's 2. And 3, and then we'll switch. 1, 2. The goal is to kick out right behind you, directly behind you. So those are called donkey kicks. And the last one we're going to do is called shoulder taps. So we're going to get into a push-up plank position. While we're in a push-up plank position, we're simply just going to get one hand to come up and tap our shoulder. Tap our shoulder. We're going to go side to side. Okay? So those are called shoulder taps. All right, so get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 26, and we'll begin shortly. 3, 2, 1, and go. Crisscrosses. So again, you can go forward, you can go behind, or you can do both, forward and back. Again, just crossing your feet, side to side. There we go. Let's go, my friends. We're working hard today. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Good job, kiddos. Good job, ladies and gents. All right, we got 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go squat and then step. Step. Step and squat. Good job. Keep up the good work, my friends. Work hard, work hard. Anything you do in life, remember the motto, just finish. Side step squats. Woo! Definitely feel that one. All right, going on down. Donkey kicks. 3, 2, 1. Go. Kick back. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Take it back. Take it back. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. You're doing great. One more round. 1, 2, 3. You're ready to switch it up. Shoulder taps. 2 and 3. All right, shoulder taps. Push your plank position and alternate. Go switch. Tap your shoulder. Hold your body up. Keep your back straight. Knees off the ground. If you need to drop down for a quick second, that's okay. Jump right back in. Let's go. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. Let's go. Almost done with round 1, my friends. Let's go. All right, and time. All right, rest. 1 minute rest, my friends. stay hydrated. Right now, heart is pumping. Focus on your breathing, catch your breath. I want you guys to think about what motivates you, what pushes you to keep working hard, and keep that in your mind when you guys are doing these fast 5 workouts. We now have 26 fast 5 workouts, so we are nearing that 30, 31 mark to do 1 a day. So highly encourage you guys to keep up the good work. Stay with me, stay motivated, and as always, just finish, my friends, okay? All right, 5 seconds left. Get ready for round number 2. Again, we're gonna start with wrist crosses. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Crisscrosses, side to side, let's go. You're doing great, let's go. Alright, sides, side squats, squat, and step. Step, squat. Let's go. See how low you can go in this round? Challenge yourself. Drop that bottom lower. You can do it. Woo! With me, comment down below, say, I'm excited. Keep going, my friends. Just finished. Hashtag just finished. All right. And let's go into those donkey kicks. Here we go. Turn this way so you can see a better angle. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Kick back. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. Keep up the good work. Push back, pretend there's some weights behind you. Good job. Work. 10 more seconds. Almost there, my friends. The finish line is near. All right, last one. Let's go. Shoulder taps. Up and tap, 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 tap. Let's go. Finish strong. Let's go, let's go. You got it. And time. Nice job, my friends. Great job. Give yourself a high 5. Pat yourself on the back. Here's a virtual fist bump. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that fast 5 workout number 26. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the exercises, the workout, and what motivated you throughout this workout. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot, so we can best support you on your fitness journey as well. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.